All right, so we went over how to accept a check for today's work. It is very important that if you are collecting money for today, for work we did today, that you are going to the invoice area and applying the payment from here. All right, this video is going to show you how to accept a payment on an estimate. All right, there is a big difference in how these payment functions work on the office side. So it's critical that if we are taking money for work done today, we accept that payment again from the invoice pay button. If we are collecting money on an estimate for work sold for a later job, you will be collecting the money in the estimate. So what we're going to do is we can see here that the customer selected this estimate in the amount of $1,136.42 for a later job. If you click anywhere in this estimate, it will open. And now we can see that we can have the customer pay a deposit for the work here. Let's go ahead and click. So now we see a window very similar, right, to the previous one. I've selected mobile check capture. We can ask the customer to pay a full balance. Generally, if we are going to be getting a deposit, it is worth half or more of the work. So in this case, this customer is going to write a check for $800. And then we can hit scan check. Just like before, we are going to verify that the amount written on the check matches what is in ServiceTitan. Otherwise, it will not work. And we can select next, and you see it goes through the same process. Scan front, scan back. It will say success, so on and so forth. All right. So we can, of course, take cash here, anything like that. But yes, if you are going to be accepting money for today's work, invoice, pay. If it is just a deposit that is to go towards an estimate for later, we go to estimates, click, pay. All right, thanks guys.